Hey you guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I really want to hit 100k by the end of this year. Also, once we are 100k strong, I will be doing a huge giveaway, so that's gonna be awesome. So what you're gonna do is just simply hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Alright, so I have done this full face of makeup and I'm wearing my dressing gown because it's so freezing cold here in Dehradun and I wanted to change and wear something better, but this is so cozy that I just couldn't take this off and wear something else. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I literally live in this 24/7 and you will be seeing me wearing this for the next 2-3 months until winters are over. This is really great. I would highly recommend you guys to check out H&M and get this dressing gown because it's going to be one of the best purchases that you have ever made. I will try to find a link of this dressing gown in the description box below so you guys can easily check it out. That was totally off topic. Anyways, today's video is going to be all about Black Friday sale. It's one of the best time of the year where you can buy some really good products at some really great prices. You can get these crazy discounts offer everywhere, and Nykaa is having this crazy Pink Friday sale that I just couldn't resist. I wanted to do this video to recommend you all products that I love, products that you can check out during the sale, and I also wanted to share what all I have got during the sale. A few of them are restocked products, few of them are products that I've always wanted to try, and I'll also be mentioning few offers that are worth checking. So if you are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I'll start with this box right here. I have already opened these box because I had to sanitize everything before I start filming. So the first product that I got is this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the flavor. So the first product that I got is this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry. This is an 8-gram product. I have seen Simi Goraya use this, so I wanted to give it a try. And I've also seen a lot of people raving about how amazing this product is. I haven't tried anything from Laneige, so this is going to be my first product from this particular brand. This is how it looks like. It looks pretty cute and it smells amazing, so I cannot wait to try this out. I would have applied it right now, but I have lip color on, so I'll try this out before going to bed. The next product that I got is this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. You guys, I have always wanted to get a lip plumper. I've seen a lot of lip plumper reviews online and कई रिव्यूज़ में ऐसा होता है दैट किसी का रिएक्शन हो गया, किसी का बर्न हो गया, कई कहते हैं दैट it stings a lot, it burns a lot. Hence I was very skeptical on getting one because I already have very tiny lips and I just cannot afford any allergic reactions. And you know what, I've already tried it. I made my sister try it, I even made my mother try it, and sab sahi salamat hai, so that's amazing. And I'll just open this so you guys can see how the product looks from inside. It has this white iridescent color to it and it looks really cool, and this actually works. What I like about this product is that it does not give you that intense crazy lip plumping effect, which I was looking for because I'm a beginner. I'm still experimenting with lip plumpers, so I didn't want something drastic, and it's really good. And the plumping effect you see immediately. So when I applied it, after 30 seconds or so, I started feeling this burning, tingling sensation. Just make sure to apply this lip plumper on your lips and not on your skin because it does make your skin look red, and that's quite prominent. So that's something that I've learned. So just apply it on your lips and not on your skin. Alright, so now onto the big box. I have quite a few products inside that I wanted to share. So the first product that I got is this Vaseline Cocoa Glow body lotion. It is one of my favorite body lotions. I love Vaseline body care products. Their body lotions are just so good, very affordable, and they are very easily accessible. So I just love Vaseline in general. I have been using Vaseline products ever since I was a school going kid, and I still love using their products. You can even see that I have this Vaseline Restore body lotion. It is a big bottle and I use this daily. So you can see I am a Vaseline lover clearly. Okay, so next up I got this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. I have tried this product in the past and I love how it sits on the skin, but I had the shade medium, which is a bit light for my complexion, so I used it as a highlighting product. This one is in the shade medium, this one is in the shade Caramel, and Caramel is a perfect match for me. Just for shade reference, I am NC42 in MAC Studio Fluid. I have applied this concealer under my eyes today and I absolutely love the way it looks on my skin. It was very easy to blend and the coverage is really nice as well. And for the price, I think this is a must-have concealer for everybody. Alright, so next I got this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in the shade 06 Sun Beige. I've always wanted to get this, but my shade was always out of stock. When I was scrolling through, I found my shade and I was like, wow, I had to get this. Finally have it. I have seen so many people talking about the product. One of the reasons why I got this foundation was that I absolutely hate matte finish foundations. They do not look nice on my skin. It looks very cakey and I hate the feeling of dry skin in general. I couldn't resist myself and I have applied this foundation today and I really like the way it sits on my skin. It does not look dry and it gives that right amount of glow to my skin. So far this foundation looks good on my skin. I still have to do like a proper wear test and see how well it lasts and how well it performs. So I still have to do that, but so far I'm really liking this foundation. Okay, so next up I got this Pro Arte Concealer Buffer Brush PF08. I won't be using this as a concealer buffer brush. I'll be using this as an eyeshadow brush instead. And this looks like an eyeshadow brush to me because you see it literally fits perfectly here in my crease. I believe it will work like a nice blending brush. So that's that. Next up I got this PAC M72 eyelashes. I absolutely love these mink lashes from PAC. The entire mink lashes ka range, it's really nice. The ones I'm wearing right now are these PAC M77 lashes and I love how they look on my eyes. They're not very dramatic, they're not very subtle, they're something in between. I already have these M72 lashes. They are very fluttery and romantic, so I wanted to restock on these, so had to get this one. And lastly I got these two nail polishes from Kay Beauty. I honestly really like Kay Beauty nail polishes. They last for a really long time. The first one here is in the shade Firecracker. It's a really pretty red color, and the second one is more towards like a nude peachy color in the shade Bittersweet. Both of these look really nice. I'll have to apply this on my hand to see how it looks on my skin tone, but I think this red one is going to look stunning. So these were the products that I got. Now I would be sharing few of my favorite products that I would suggest you all to check out during this sale. So I will start with skincare. First product right here is this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This is a really nice cleanser, you guys. You can see how much I've used it already. One of the reasons why we like using this product is that it has that creamy consistency, and my sister has extremely dry skin and this cleanser does not dry out her face at all. If you have been following me for a while, I think you might have already guessed what the next product is going to be. It is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is my third bottle, you guys. I absolutely love this face wash. It is so gentle on the skin. I don't even have to talk about this product. Just refer to my previous videos and you'll understand how crazy I am about this product. So that's another recommendation from my end. I will also recommend this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. You can see how much I have used already. I'm almost out of it. I will be definitely restocking on this one because it is such a great product, you guys. If you're a makeup lover, if you love wearing makeup in general, you should get this because it just makes the entire process of taking off makeup very easy. With this, I don't have to stand in my washroom for 10 minutes rubbing my eyes so my stubborn mascara comes off. This is a must-have product, you guys. You should definitely check this out. The next product should be the Body Shop Vitamin E Overnight Serum. I have talked about this product a lot on my channel, even on my Instagram. This is literally my 6th or 7th bottle. I have used it so much. I have been using this for ages. This is like magic in a bottle for me. It works really nice on my skin. Whenever I feel that my skin is feeling very clogged or I have a pimple here or there, this helps in repairing my skin and it does wonders for me. For moisturizer, I would recommend this Face Shop Calendula Moisture Cream. You can see I'm almost out of it. I already have a backup of this. It feels really nice on the skin. It is very, very moisturizing. If you have dry skin, you should check this out. Alright, let's talk about makeup. I'll start with primers. These are my favorite primers and these are the ones that I keep reaching out for again and again. This one is the Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. This one is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. These are silicone based primers and these are more on the affordable side. This one is again a silicone based primer, but it is a bit expensive because it is Benefit. I love all three products. They work pretty much the same. These are silicone based primers, so they will blur out the appearance of your pores and even any texture that you might have on your skin. Now for foundations, as mentioned earlier, I like using foundations that have that nice dewy finish. These foundations are really nice. They make my skin look like skin. So the first one here is this Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation by Nykaa, and I am in the shade True Tan. The Nykaa foundation is like a dupe for the MAC Face and Body. These are like very liquidy. They even out your complexion. They don't have a lot of coverage, but what they do to the skin is just, it's magical. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin. So if you want to go for an affordable option, go for Nykaa. If you want to get MAC, get the MAC Face and Body, and just for shade reference, I am C5. These two foundations have really good coverage. You can totally build it up to a medium to full coverage. This one is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation and I am in the shade True Toffee. It is a bit dark for me, but I am able to make this work. The next one is a stick foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Ace of Face foundation in the shade Con Pana. It has a great finish, looks really nice on the skin, and you can totally build this up. This foundation comes with its own brush, which makes it really travel friendly. For concealers, I would highly recommend you all to check these out. This one is the Maybelline AJ1 concealer in the shade Caramel, and this one is the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. Talking about highlighters, I absolutely love these two. This one is from Nykaa. This is their Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Cold. I have used it in so many of my tutorials. I'm wearing this highlighter today and it is so pretty. And this one is the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze. It looks really nice on my complexion especially. I am NC42 again. This is how the packaging looks like, and it has a beautiful bronzy gold undertone to it. This has a very creamy texture, and once you blend it, you see it gives that wet look and it just looks really nice on the skin. So I would highly recommend you all to check these out. For the eyes, I'll start with mascara. Please get this. Don't get anything else, just get this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I've even done a full dedicated video on this product because it is that good. I have tried so many mascaras. I have tried Too Faced, I have tried Anastasia, I have tried Bobbi Brown, I have tried Benefit, but none of them work as good as this one does. So highly recommend. For eyeshadow palettes, get Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. You're getting 40% off on her products, so just simply get it. I have this Huda Sapphire Obsession palette. I got this last year during the Pink Friday sale itself. I also had another shade, but it got lost. It broke. I don't know where it is. I just couldn't find it. I have this one and the colors are absolutely stunning. The pigmentation is really good. If you're looking for something cheaper, get the Makeup Revolution Soap X Extra Spice eyeshadow palette. You get a lot of different shades in here, so you can play around and create multiple looks. You also get giant mirror, so that's very helpful and makes it a very travel friendly palette. And you get like pinks, you get reds, you have greens, you even have gold, orange, dark brown, a silver color, a yellow color, an orange color even. So you have like a lot of colors to play with. For lipsticks, I have quite a few, so I will start with this one. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon lipstick in the shade 05. It is a very pretty brown color, and I think this will look very pretty on Indian skin tone. My favorite red lip colors, this one is the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick in the shade #blessed. It is also a very comfortable formula, so for the wedding season, if you're a bride and you want to get an affordable lipstick, you can definitely consider getting this one. This one from Colorbar is a beautiful nude color. It is in the shade Hot Latte and it is loved by so many people, especially Debashri. She loves this color a lot. Not brown, it is like a muted pink color. Next one is from Lime Crime. This one is from their Bushies collection. I love the packaging. It is really cute. Formula is very comfortable. Even though it is a very dark color, it is not extremely pigmented. It gives that lip tint look, I'd say. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell here, but it is not extremely pigmented. So if you're someone who does not like that opaque finish, then you can totally check this out. Also, I think I've mentioned this, but it is very comfortable. If you want to get something from Lime Crime, definitely check out their Velvetyne lip products. I have these two and they are so pretty. I'll just quickly swatch this. So this one is in the shade Rustic. I'll just swatch it right here. This is like, I'd say it is more towards peach and pink. Next shade, I think it's called Paulette. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll just add it on the screen. And this one is a really pretty brownish peachish color, I'd say, but it looks really nice on my skin tone. So if you're around my skin color, you can totally consider getting this one. It's this one right here. The last product in my lipstick category, which I think everyone should have, is my favorite Sugar Cosmetics Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick in the shade 01 Browning Glory. I have used it so much. You see, almost khatam hai. I have to stock this up now. Oh god, I have to get another one because I just cannot go without this. It is such a nice color now. Like, it literally goes with every outfit. This is how it looks like. Right, so lastly, for hair products, I would recommend you all to get the L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. I have done a full dedicated video on this and I absolutely love this product. You can see like half used कर लिया है मैंने because it is so good. You can use it as a heat protectant, you can use it as a hair treatment, oiling karo, after hair wash lagao. Like, you can do so much with this product. Definitely check out my video if you want to know more. So these are everything that I would recommend you all checking out during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Apart from this, if you don't know already, MAC Cosmetics India, they now have their own official website and they have these exclusive kits for Black Friday, which I quickly wanted to share. So the first one is their Back to Basics kit. And inside this, you get two products. You get a full-size MAC Fix Plus and their Kohl Liner Kajal. I have tried this and it is very pigmented, and you guys already know MAC Fix Plus is my holy grail product. Highly recommend you guys to get this. If not this, just get the kit because it's a really good deal. You are getting this entire kit for $24.50. And the next kit, which is called Skin Ready, you get 3 different products. So inside this one, you get a full-size MAC Fix Plus. You also get a strobe cream in the shade Pink Light, and you get this cleanse of oil, which is a 30 ml bottle, not a full-size product. So you get this kit for 4,500 something. I'm not sure. I'll add it on the screen. So definitely check out MAC Cosmetics website and Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Get your hands on these amazing offers before these products get out of stock. Also, if you guys have any queries, let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than happy to help you all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram to be updated, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.